Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our back. You can place a little pillow underneath your head or your shoulders or your back. And just lie back on the pillow, relax your arms and your legs. Close your eyes. And breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly as you continue your deep breaths. Relax your arms and slowly bend your knees. Dropping both legs over to the left side for a stacked supine twist. Relax your muscles. Switch sides. Roll onto your right side, coming into the fetal position. And let's press our way up into a comfortable seated position. I'm going to have my legs crossed, but you can sit however feels comfortable to you. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder as you place your right hand on top of your head. Switch sides. Come back to center as you wrap your arms around yourself, giving yourself a big hug. Take an inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose. And let it out. Bring your hands to heart center for one more big inhale in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.